How to recover deleted any type of document. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open File Explorer. Here you can see document category. Simply click on it. Choose any one of the file which you want to delete. Click on delete. Again go back and scroll down to recently deleted. Provide your phone's password and tap and hold on the file which you want to restore. Click on restore, but sometimes you might have also deleted the file from recently deleted. So in that case, go to drive, go to home section and click on new. Go to document from the above and choose the document which you want to save as a backup. In short period of time, the file will be updated in your drive. Once the file has been updated, even when you delete it from your device, it will still be in the backup of your Gmail account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.